and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Secret behind Parrikar government's withdrawal from Brazil tour is out. News reports from Delhi says last-minute veto by Prime Minister Modi cancelled 6 legislators' tour. Ambience of assurances on Modi's maiden Goa visit lost and shattered for many. Modi avoids announcements, gives mantra of hard decisions and discipline to govern state. Midday meal food poisoning incident at Kola going unprobed. No action even after 24 hours. FDA waits food samples. Authorities allow self-help group to continue. Two houses catch fire in Ekta Nagar Mapsa. Owners claim loss worth 2 lakhs. Fire due to short circuit. Gold jewellery, cash with property gutted in blazes. And football fever grips Goa. Pradeep Sodankar's FIFA World Cup exhibition in Mapsa attracted fans from all over the state. Now news in details. The secret behind Parrikar's government's withdrawal from Brazil tour is out. News reports from Delhi says a last-minute veto by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday afternoon has cancelled the state-sponsored FIFA World Cup tour to Brazil by a team of 6 Goa legislators led by State Sports Minister Ramesh Tavadkar.
एकच गोंयकारांक मोदी बाबान दिला म्हणटा जे पर्रीकार बाब पैसे सो आमदारांक मोडून घेतले 89 lakhs of rupees ते आमकां परत केले तो जॉन ताणें कॅन्सल करून ते पयशे गोंयकारांचे वसूल केले इतलेंच आमचें मेवलां आमी एज्युकेशन प्लॅन केल्लें PMOक लेटर केल्लें हें जे पर्रीकार बाब करता तें बरें न्हू इट इज एरोगन्स पर्रीकार बाबर अशेंच म्हणून ना तेणें नॅशनल TV चॅनलाक म्हटलें 7 जाण आपूण 40 जाण धाडटलो सो दॅट इज द हायट ऑफ स्टुपिडिटी एंड एरोगन्स एंड आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी that Prime Minister has acted at the complaint lodged by us to his office, to the PM.
It was Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar's argument that India is hosting the 2017 FIFA Under-17 World Cup and Goa has a bid to organize some of the matches. Goa legislators are going to see how the tournament is being organized. However, when these arguments failed to convince the opposition or change public perception, the Prime Minister stepped in and told Parrikar that the trip must be completely called off. That's what media from Delhi says. Experts believe that Modi took the call so that the controversy would not overshadow his Goa trip, as it is his first trip to Goa after getting elected as Prime Minister. 6 legislators Ramesh Tavadkar, Benjamin Silva, Milind Naik, Avetan Furtado, Glenn Tiklo, Carlos Almeida were ready with their baggage for a Brazil trip at taxpayers' cost. Under attack from the opposition and the cross-sections, they decided to spend from their pockets. Sports Minister Ramesh Tavadkar withdrew from the group and cancelled his tour, while rest 5 have decided to go ahead. But the BJP leadership in Delhi is surprised with the Prime Minister's decision. Spokesperson from BJP at Delhi said they were informed earlier that the party does not have a view that is different from Parrikar's. As per Delhi media report, there is a different view in the BJP too. That is, if the Goa legislators had to go and see how the tournament was organized, they should have left earlier. With Bureau Input, Senior Reporter Lokik Shilkar and Video Journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
The ambience of assurances created on backdrop of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's maiden Goa visit seems lost and shattered for many who created it. Instead, Modi gave a mantra of hard decisions, discipline and meticulous management to get the economy and affairs back on track. This is for those who govern the state, while making a passing reference to Goa's requirement in mining, infrastructure and tourism. Modi avoided announcements in specific, and this is how the leaders reacted on his Goa visit.
It may be economy or other state of affairs. One has to be ready to take and face some hard decisions to get the things back on track. Discipline and meticulous management is the mantra of today's rule. This was the message Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave to those who govern the state and thousands of workers of party in power.
कड़वे निर्णय करके कठोर कदम उठा करके देश के आर्थिक स्वास्थ्य को बल देना ये आवश्यक लगता है। मैं जानता हूं ऐसे कठोर निर्णयों के कारण जिस मोदी को लोग इतना प्यार करते हैं शायद उसमें कमी आ जाए, कहीं नाराजगी भी आ जाए, लेकिन मुझे विश्वास है कि इन कठोर निर्णयों के बाद जब स्वास्थ्य में सुधार होना शुरू हो जाएगा तो ये प्यार पुनः वर्षा होना शुरू हो जाएगा।
Goa is lucky for Modi. Goa is close to Modi's heart. With this hopes, many had raised the bar of hopes and expectations from Modi's maiden Goa visit. Things like assurances on mining packages, special status, big infrastructure projects were echoing in the state air, creating ambience for Prime Minister's maiden visit. Look what the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar uttered before the media a couple of days prior to Prime Minister's visit.
Zuari, you wait for Prime Minister.
However, Modi tackled Zuari Bridge issue in a much lighter way without going into any specifics.
और जो हिला हुआ जुआरी का ब्रिज है ना, वो हिलने देना है क्या? मजबूत बनाना है नहीं बनाना? नया बनाना है नहीं बनाना? काम बहुत बड़ा है, महंगा है। मैं गोवा के वासियों को विश्वास दिलाता हूँ कि मनोहर जी ने गोवा के विकास के लिए जो योजनाएं बनाई हैं, जो कदम उठाए हैं, उसको भारत सरकार का पूरा सहयोग रहेगा।
Many in the opposition and alliance have started voicing out the tunes out of phase now for the party in power. Independent MLA Rohan Kaute is vocal enough.
As far as Goa is concerned, mining sector and he with conviction he has shown a positive sign. So indirectly म्हणला की mining hope बरा आसा and we will see in the near future. But overall outline or package what we were expecting or anything on special status for Goa, आजर काय झालं ना.
Congress fears that Parrikar-led government is in too much hurry to show its efficiency and performance. State can't afford this hurry, especially in case of costly projects. Congress plans to report these issues to the PMO.
So foundation stone, वाचलं तो मांडोवी तिसऱ्या पुला, अगर ते बरोबर ना सगळे लायसेंस मेळूं ना तांकां, डिफेन्स क्लियरन्स मेळूं ना तांकां, एक हायन जायन प्रोजेक्ट जाता, आनी जे प्रोजेक्ट लोकांचे पैसे विभागता चड पयशांक टेंडर आनी कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट दिवन, म्हाका दिसता मोदी बाबान तें बंद करपाक जाय.
This is how the leader of ITA, Christopher Fonseca, reacted.
We welcome the initiatives, the positive statements made by Shri Narendra Modi, who said that mining should start sooner and that he has directed all his departments to see that clearances are given and things are kick-started.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Seems like midday meal food poisoning incident at Khola is going unattended and unprobed. Even after 24 hours, no action has been initiated, neither by the police nor by the FDA. FDA says they are awaiting food samples collected by the local police. Surprisingly, Education Department has allowed the self-help group to continue supplying midday meal. 6 victim students were discharged from the PHC at Bali on Sunday.
Lizard in midday meals and food poisoning has become a frequent affair in several schools in state. The incidents are occurring uncontrolled despite several food poisoning cases across the state and restructuring of the midday meal supply system. In a similar incident at Khola, Kankana, 6 students suffered from food poisoning after consumption of midday meal on Saturday. They found a lizard in the meal. The midday meal was supplied by the Surbi self-help group. Kunkuroi police has registered an offence against the group, but no action is initiated as of now. We visited the kitchen of self-help group. We also met the members of the group. They are speechless. That doesn't end here. What they informed us was more shocking.
परती सुरू कर म्हणून सांगला तुमका बंद करून नाका म्हणून सांगले सुरू कर म्हणून सांगला सो तुम्ही फाल्याच्यान परती सुरू करतले.
Parents want the government to take cognizance of the incident and act quickly.
अशी भुरग्यां मागीर हॉस्पिटलान हाडची पडटा ते कोण तरी गव्हर्मेंटान तेंचे एक्शन घेवपाक जाय. तेंकां चेक करपाचें जावं ना जाल्यार तेंकां कितें बंद करपाचें जावं ना कितें तरी बरें खावपाक दिवपाचें गव्हर्मेंटान एक्शन घेवंक जाय. तें कितें तरी हें करपाक जाय वेवस्था करपाक जाय बरोबर कित्याक अशें जालें जाल्यार मागीर भुरग्यांची वाट लागता न्हू.
Students undergoing treatment in Bali Hospital were discharged later on Sunday afternoon.
All the 6 children were discharged. Everybody has improved with the treatment they received at PHC. So right now during hospital stay they were absolutely fine. No incidences of occurrences of vomiting or abdominal pain or loose motions occurred to them. So today afternoon at around 1 o'clock we discharged all the 6 kids and they are absolutely fine.
Considering the casual approach and progress of the case, seems like the food poisoning incident is going unattended and unprobed. The school, self-help group, FDA and even police taking their own sweet time. And parents unaware as to who will take the action and when. Dattaraj Naik for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.